Now, it's the moment of truth. Let's run the Python script to get the message sent to our group. See, this is the message. Hey, how is it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can send out your first Telegram message from your own application. Follow along and you will have fun, and you will be able to do it in no time. The first step is to get a Telegram Gateway API account. You go to our website, come to this page, click subscribe. You put down your email address, choose one of the plans, and hit subscribe. After you sign up, you'll get a confirmation email just like this one. In the email, you'll find a Telegram Gateway number. Add the number to your contact list. Since we want to send a message to the group, obviously, we need to add the gateway to the group first, like so. Also, say something in the group from your Telegram client to give the gateway a chance to learn about the group, like so. Step number 3 is to customize the sample code. Let's click on Python to get the source code. On this tutorial page, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find the sample code. Let's copy it. In this file, we need to customize a few things, including the instance ID, the client ID, and the client secret. Most importantly, we have to customize the group name and group admin. In this example, we're going to send this message to the group. Let's do the customization now. When you're done with the customization, let's make the Python script executable like so. Now, it's the moment of truth. Let's run the Python script to get the message sent to our group. See, this is the message. What are you waiting for? Sign up, have fun, and try it out for yourself.